Welcome to my channel. Let's draw and paint together.
Today, we're drawing Rumi from Kpop Demon Hunter in a super cute style. Let's begin with her left eye. Start by drawing the upper eyelid using a smooth, curved line and make it bold to emphasize the lash line. Next, sketch a large, round iris beneath the lid. This will be the center of her gaze. Once that's done, shade the iris with a rich brown tone and add a white highlight to give it sparkle. Now move to the right eye. Place it about one eye width apart from the left, slightly angled upward. Repeat the same steps: curved lid, round iris, brown fill, and white highlight. Proceed to the nose and mouth. Use a small curved line for the nose and a gentle arc for the mouth. Continue with the eyebrows. Draw the left one first, a soft arch above the eye. Then add the right eyebrow, mirroring the shape and position. Let's shape her face. Begin from the outer corner of the left eye, curve downward to form her cheek and chin, then loop back up to the right eye. Add her ears on both sides, just peeking out from under the hair. Now for the hair. Start with the puff above her forehead. Use curved lines to create volume. Then draw strands flowing from the forehead to the top of her head. Move on to her signature braid. Begin at the crown and sketch it cascading down the side. Make sure the braid is thick and detailed. Draw her neck and the collar of her jacket. Add the jacket itself, and on her right shoulder, sketch the armor piece with two sharp spikes. Include her necklace with a large round pendant hanging from a chain. Add the decorative pattern on her shoulder and the flame-like emblem on the right side of her chest. That completes the line art. Let's move on to coloring. Start with the eyebrows. Fill them in with a soft brown tone to match her hair. Then color her skin using a light cream shade. Apply it evenly across her face, neck, and ears. Add a touch of pink blush to her cheeks for a radiant look. Use a slightly darker cream tone to shade the neck area. Now focus on the hair. Use a rich purple as the base color. Fill in the entire hair area, including the puff and the braid. Here are some fun facts about Rumi from Kpop Demon Hunter. Fun fact 1. Rumi's magical rhythm sense. Rumi is famous for her incredible rhythm sense, a unique ability that allows her to feel sound as glowing waves of energy. In the story, this power helps her detect danger and communicate with friendly spirits through music. What makes it even more interesting is that her rhythm sense becomes stronger when she dances. The more confident and joyful her movements are, the brighter her musical energy shines. This turns her performances into magical moments that charm both fans and spirits. Many characters in the show admire her because her energy brings warmth and hope even in the darkest battles. For the shoulder pad, use a deeper gold to make it stand out. Color the zipper with a medium gray to simulate metal. Fun fact 2. She was inspired by traditional Korean mythology. Rumi's character design and abilities are inspired by the Korean myth of the Gumiho, a nine-tailed fox spirit known for beauty, mystery, and transformation. While Rumi is not a true fox spirit, she carries subtle elements of the myth, such as her sharp intuition, fast reflexes, and playful personality. Her costume also includes small fox-like motifs, showing the deep connection between her modern K-pop image and ancient folklore. This blend of mythology and pop culture makes Rumi stand out as a unique and unforgettable character. For the chest emblem, use the three colors. Red first, followed by green and gray accents. Now tackle the shoulder armor. Use dark gray for the Now tackle the shoulder armor. Use dark gray for the outer edges and light gray for the center. Add white highlights to the tips of the spikes to give them a metallic shine. Return to the hair for final touches. Use dark purple to reinforce the shadows around the sides and under the braid. Rumi's braid isn't just a hairstyle, it's a magical heirloom. In Kpop Demon Hunter, her braid is woven with protective charms passed down from her grandmother, a legendary demon hunter. The braid reacts to dark energy, glowing faintly during battles or performances. Fans call it the guardian braid, and it symbolizes strength, tradition, and connection to her roots. It's not just part of her look, it's part of her legacy. Then apply light purple or white highlights to the top and outer strands. This will make the hair look soft, full, and vibrant. With all the colors in place, Rumi is glowing with personality and charm. And that's it! Rumi looks absolutely adorable! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow art lovers. See you next time with more awesome character drawings.